Use Squarespace AI in supported text series to generate text from prompts or rewrite text you've already written. This is a great way to get a first draft of the copy on the page or get ideas about improving the copy you've already written. To use Squarespace AI, click the lightning bolt icon in the toolbar of the selected text box. The prompt field will appear with pre-built prompt starters like paragraph, pitch, or blurb. Enter your prompt and click Write. After the text is generated, make sure to review the results and the text support generated what you had in mind. Use Squarespace AI on text blocks, email campaign text sections, product descriptions, and blog posts in the Squarespace app. You can use Squarespace Blueprint with a new website to write a prompt that Squarespace AI will use and generate descriptive content for your homepage. Within the prompt, write a site description, choose a writing style, and then click Finish. Squarespace AI will generate text based on what you wrote and the style you chose. After generating the text, don't forget to review and edit the work. Please let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.